What's up, guys? We back with another video. Today we got an 84 Monte Carlo Monte. We're gonna be doing a panoramic sunroof on Cadillac CTS panoramic. It's a good size. It's pretty much takes up the whole roof part of the Monte. We already got the headliner out. It's on top of the truck here. Here's the roof. Cadillac CTS. There's a skin over there on that side. And the top part. We're going to cover the interior here with some plastic, and then we'll put a welding blanket on the inside. Once we do start welding, you can see it there. That's what we're working with today. Monte Carlo, first G body. Check it out, guys. It's cut out. It's ready for the bracket to be installed and tack weld. Check it out. Badass. Alright, I'm gonna put the bracket in, center everything up. I still have to cut these structures here, cut them back a little bit so the bracket doesn't interfere with them on both sides, this side and that side. Then I'll put the bracket in, tack weld it all the way around. I know a lot of people are asking me why don't I show the tack welding, but it's pretty much just a, it's just the same process. I do show it on my videos when it's been tack weld. I just don't want to record me trying to tack weld, and then I got to go back and forth, because if not you'll warp the metal. But tack welding is just tack welding. You just tack weld some here, tack weld some there, just all over the place with a wet rag, so you cool it off once you weld it, so that way you don't warp the roof. But I'll get some video of it tacked weld all the way around, so you can kind of see on top, since this is a lower car, so I don't have to be so high up. That way you get an idea of how I install them. I do install the bracket from the inside, less body work. If instead of putting it on top, you create a bump, and then you got to fill all that in with body work, more filler. So what I do is I put the bracket from the inside underneath the metal, tack weld it, leaves very minimal body work, and then I'll fiberglass it all the way around just for extra strength. Alright, guys, let me get centers cut out. I'll put the bracket in, get it all tack welded, and I'll kick you back. Alright, guys, we're doing the spot welding now. As you can see, we did this first section here. We're going to work on the way back. If you want to zoom in here, check out the spot welds. Spot weld every at least a quarter inch, and we'll end up grinding this down smooth, and we'll put some fiberglass over it, and then let that dry. We'll sand it, and then we'll put some light body filler. Alright, guys, body work. We'll be starting the body work now. You can see here I got a little layer of fiberglass on top. Just makes it for extra strength. Alright, guys, we got the panoramic installed. I still gotta do the headliner. I ran out of time. This headliner is actually a little different on these Monte Carlos. It's out of plastic, a hard plastic. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to cut that out. I'm gonna do some measurements. Usually with the headliner, I could just put it on there and just cut and trim it out. This one, I'm gonna have to take some measurements and then trim it out outside the car, and then test fit it in, and then just trim it as I go, as I put it in till it fits good. But there she is. Came out badass, one of a kind.